Hello everyone. Today I am going to deliver the lecture on cultivation practice of wheat, and it is scientifically known by Tritium aestivum from family Gramineae, and also known by OAC. Okay. Uh, to know the cultivation practice, first of all we have to determine the seeds, where from the seeds will procured, and it is generally obtained from tested or certified source, or it can also be verified by the labels or tags attached with the bags those having seeds, and these tags or labels must be retained even after sowing, just to cross check the informations given on those tags with the performance of seeds in the field. Then the second step is to select the field for cultivation, or field selection should not be the earlier cropped field. It should be a 2-year gap from the same crop for this variety or varietal or similar or different cultivars of this wheat. Uh, Normally inferior or same variety cropped fields are just avoided for this purpose, and the soil must be fertile with proper drainage system, and the isolation must be kept around 3 meters from the same variety, whereas 150 meters is recommended for prevention of loose smut of wheat or from other inferior varieties also. Then we comes to seed sowing, planting techniques, planting pattern, and crop geometry. This is what about how much distance should be there between row to row, and what should be the depth of seed sowing. The field should be prepared and labeled, and one deep plough is conducted, that is followed by 2 or 3 harrowings, and one pre-sowing irrigation is also needed therein, that is conducted 7 to 10 days before actual sowing, and at this time 10% VHC in the dust form is also applied in the soil at the rate 25 kg per hectare to prevent the termite attack. Then treated seeds with 0.25% Vitavax are sown at 60 to 75 kg per hectare rate during first or second fortnight of November. Or the timing of seed sowing could be determined on the basis of locality also. In the northern part it could be around October, or in the southern part or in other part where the warm conditions are exist therein, then it could be first or second fortnight of November. Here the row to row distance should be 20 centimeters, and the sowing depth is around 4 to 5 centimeters, and finally the field is leveled after sowing. Now we comes to nutrient management for cultivation, and for good crop of wheat we must need 120 kg of nitrogen, 60 kg of phosphorus, and 40 kg of potassium, and that is used for or recommended for 1 hectare field. Doses of NPK can be reduced or revised on the basis of soil test reports. Half quantity of nitrogen and full quantity of phosphorus and potassium is applied at the time of sowing or sometime before sowing, and remaining quantity of nitrogen is divided equally at first and second irrigations. Foliar spray of urea at the rate 2.5% solution is applied at the time of seed setting for best development of grains. Next we have irrigation schedule or irrigation in the wheat is divided into six timings. Or the first one is applied at crown root initiation stage, or it is around 20 to 25 days after sowing. The second irrigation is at tillering stage, or it is around 40 to 45 days after sowing. The third one is during the late jointing stage, or it is up to 70 or 75 days after sowing. Next, the fourth one is given at the time of flowering stage, or it is around 3 months. Next, we have fifth irrigation schedule, or it is at milking stage, or it is around 110 to 115 days after sowing. Or the final irrigation, that is given at the time of duff stage, or it is around 4 months. Then it is also recommended that if there is rain during any schedule of these irrigations, then it is avoided. More irrigations are required generally during in the sandy soils. Then we have weed management practices in wheat field, or to control the broad-leaved weeds, 0.5 kg of 2,4-D, that is dissolved in 750 liters of water, and used for 1 hectare in the form of spray after 30 to 35 days of sowing. For control of Phalaris minor, isoproteron, and it is named by 75 WP at the rate 1 kg, and it is dissolved in 750 liters of water, is used for 1 hectare, and also in the form of spray after 1 month of sowing. Then tillage practices include manual weeding and rowing. Rowing means removal of the all the off type plants, and it could be other variety, it could be other crop plants, weed plants, infected plants, or even sometimes healthy plants also, if they are not suitable for spacing. For maintaining the space, we also have to remove the healthy plants in this procedure of rowing. So this is final description of cultivation practice of wheat, and hope it is quite enough for the purpose of MSc for agroforestry students. And actually there is no productivity, harvesting, threshing procedures included in this lecture, because it is in very brief, just for the sake of these students. If it was for agriculture purpose, then it would be in very detailed manner, but here it is in brief form, or hope you understand the things. Thank you.